How to connect a camera. The gimbal supports some Sony and Canon cameras controlling the shutter after connecting the camera via Bluetooth. Taking Sony and a7S III as an example, set up the camera Bluetooth as follows. Enter the camera menu and select Network. Bluetooth function. On. Go to Networks, Bluetooth Remote Control, and select On. Select the name of the gimbal used and perform pairing. Taking Canon EOS R5 as an example, set up the camera Bluetooth as follows. Enter the camera menu and select Wireless Settings, Bluetooth Settings, Bluetooth, Enable. Go to Wireless Settings, Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection, and select Connect to Wireless Remote. Short press the Q, Speed Control button, and select Drive Mode, Selfie. Set the delay to 10 seconds remote or 2 seconds remote. Go to Settings, Power Saving, Auto Power Off, and select Disable. Switch to Video Mode, and select Shoot and Record, Remote Control, Enable. Swipe down from the top of the touchscreen on the home screen to enter the Control Center screen. Tap the Bluetooth icon in the upper right corner. The gimbal will scan the Bluetooth signals of the surrounding devices. Select the corresponding camera Bluetooth to connect. Some cameras require a password for pairing. The Bluetooth icon turns blue, indicating connection is successful. After connecting the camera to the gimbal for the first time, reboot the camera and gimbal. And then the Bluetooth shutter can automatically reconnect. Some cameras need the user to short press the gimbal camera control button to reconnect automatically after reboot. Use the camera control cable to connect the RSS camera control port of the gimbal to the USB port of the camera.